Hey, what's up guys? Another video for you guys. I actually got some mail in today, and I guess probably if you guys can see it in the thumbnail, you guys already know what it is. So this package just came in yesterday, so let's open it up and see how it looks. It is the BBM lip spoiler for the 2013 Genesis Coupe. So I've looked at a lot of pictures and been trying to find just a small duck spoiler, lip spoiler for the rear of this, just to give it a little bit more an aggressive rear end. And I think that this one might be the one for me. So let's open this up, and it might be the one for you guys too. I'd say it looks pretty nice. I went with this one just because there is a lot of spoilers that are just straight across, and I liked how this one had these lips that went in, and it's got the holes that you're able to drill into the trunk, and I just don't want to do that. It's already got the double stick tape by 3M all on it, and I've installed these spoilers and stuff on my other cars and stuff too, so it'll be just fine. I'm just gonna set it up here and see how it's gonna look. Tell me what you guys think. I mean, like, this thing, it really makes this car. If you can't tell, there are some other ones that look just like the BBM, but the way you can tell with these is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's got an extra little lip all around. And you can see it right there where it's flat, and then another lip that brings it up even more. On the other ones that look alike like these, they just go straight out. They don't have that extra little definition in the bodywork. But yeah, let me get this thing taped on. First off, I'm just going to just wipe this down. Just try to get off all the dirt and stuff off the spoiler in the trunk. Seems pretty dry. Squeaky clean. And I did go ahead and take off like the red film off the double stick tape already, so I'm just gonna attach this on there. Make sure you're lined up on both sides. It'd probably be easier to hold it from corner to corner. Touch your finger on the end of the trunk and just line them up. Push down on it real hard. Now they do say to use the bolts, but this is some strong stuff, man. It is not going anywhere unless somebody like were to pull up on it by the spoiler. I think it looks freaking awesome. Let me pull the car out real quick so you guys can see it out in the sun. Or I guess there is no sun, but a little bit more light. Yeah, that's definitely the look that I was going for. It really just pulls this car back together. Looking so sexy. Tail lights are on, that's why it's flickering. But yeah, if you guys like that video, if you guys are looking for a BBM spoiler 2, I would definitely recommend it. Go check them out. Man, they got the color on point. The shipping got here in like a week, so I'm really pleased with that too. It really pulls this car together. It gives it that really aggressive, sexy rear end that I've been looking for, and it looks 10 times better than the factory OEM spoilers that come with these cars if you do opt for that option. But yeah, if you guys like that video, if you guys like this spoiler, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to come back for future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Keep it random.